In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert NotebookLM PDF slides to PowerPoint slides using Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, quick disclaimer, I'm using Canva Pro, not the free version of Canva, and I'm using the 30-day free trial. So if you have a 30-day free trial, then you can use this, or if you have the Pro version of Canva, you can easily edit NotebookLM PDF slides in Canva. I've tried everything: Adobe Acrobat Pro, Foxit, Nitro PDF. None is getting the OCR for the PDF or NotebookLM PDF slides correctly. Now, I'm going to go to NotebookLM, and NotebookLM is creating some really good PDF slides. But one issue is you cannot edit them. I wish they had an option for Google Slides or even exporting as an editable PowerPoint presentation. So I'll click on Try NotebookLM, and because I already have my slides ready, I'll not walk you through the process of creating NotebookLM slides, but I do have a video on that so you can check it out. So I'll select the particular project I do have that has the PDF slides I need to convert. So it's right here. This is sources section, the chat section, and the studio. So when you want to generate, you click on slide deck and it generates an AI slide deck for you. So my AI slide deck is right here. And now this particular PDF or the source was on transcription and the chat right there. And then when I clicked on generate AI slides or the slide deck, it gave me these slides. If I do a quick expand the viewer, they look like some really good slides, but the problem is that you cannot edit them. Now, take a note that they also have a logo if you're on the free version of NotebookLM, more or less. So you may need to buy if you don't want this logo, but you can still remove this using Canva Pro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this download button right here. I'll click on it and it's going to download. Alternatively, if you're right here, you can click on these three dots and click on download PDF document. Now, the PDF document has already downloaded and is on my computer, and if I click on it right there, it's going to open up this PDF slides from NotebookLM. They look really good. You cannot highlight, you cannot select, you cannot do any of that. So now let's move to Canva right here, and we do have canva.com. As I mentioned initially, this is Canva, the 30-day free trial that gives you the Pro version of it. Now I'll click on upload media. If I click on upload media and then navigate to the folder with the PDF, click on upload files and then select the particular PDF from NotebookLM that I want to convert into a Microsoft PowerPoint slides, more or less editable slides. So I'll just click on open and we'll just give it a second for it to upload onto Canva. So it's almost done and there we have it. It's right here. I'll just click on it, and once I click on it, it's going to open in more or less a new interface right here, ready for editing. So if I hover over this section, you'll notice that this is more or less like an image, but I want us to make this text editable right here, be able to remove this particular logo, and all I need to do is just click on this edit button here when this particular slide is selected. I'll click on edit, and once I do that, of importance to us is the Magic Studio section. And once I get here, I'll just scroll to the side right here and then click on grab text. I'll also click on all texts. You can do that or you can let it note, but I'll click on all text. And once I do that, I'll click on grab. So it's actually going to do the magic in the background. And now what we have here is we now have text that is editable right here. So you can make edits the way you want. For example, if this was supposed to be translation, you can change to that. What I want you to take a note of is there is no more or less change of the fonts used and so on and so forth. So this is transcription, so right there. But what we want also is to remove this particular text right here. I'll click on delete. But one thing you'll take a note of is that it did not recognize this particular logo. So for that, we can go back to edit and then go to Magic Studio. Of importance to us is Magic Grab right here. I'll click on this and it's actually going to grab a ton of things right here. But let's hover over this, click on this, and what I need to do with this is just select it and click on delete. Let's give it a couple of seconds right there, and it's going to delete that particular logo for NotebookLM. Now, unfortunately, this is a tedious process, as you can see right there. And what we need to do now is go to the next slide. The grab text feature and the magic grab are not available like to use on multiple slides at once. So I'll go to the second one and click on edit, and then go to grab text. And from here, you can see that it's noticed all the text. I'll click on all text and then click on grab. Once I click on grab, just give it a couple of seconds. It's grabbed all the text. Luckily for this one, it actually noted that this is more or less the same. Click on delete and it's gone. Now I can continue with all the slides, but let me delete the remaining slides down here. Should be about 10. This is 2 of 3, and then we finalize with this particular one. Let's click on edit, grab text. It's figuring out everything where it is, and then click on all text, grab right there. So anything that has text is going to be more or less visualized. Click on this and click on delete. Now let's assume everything we want is ready, so you can edit now the text and all that. For us to download as a PowerPoint slide, I'll just click on share and then click on download. And what we want is page 1 to 3, but the file type, click on this, scroll down, Microsoft PowerPoint document, and then click on download. It's going to download onto our computer right there. If I click on this, it's going to open up in Microsoft PowerPoint, and now you can edit what you need. Let's say this is, you can see there is no logo. You can edit this. This is still an image, but if you wanted to actually change this, you can use the magic grab to also change this particular image to whatever image you wanted. So you can change all this. You can come to this one, change the text right here. You can come to this other one, change any text that you want right here. It's good that it kind of does a good job in maintaining everything in its own place. I've tried Adobe Acrobat, Foxit, and Nitro PDF, a ton of PDF, OCR related kind of stuff, and they're not doing a good job like what we have with Canva, grab text, and the magic grab. So that's it for this video, and that is how you can convert notebook PDF slides to Microsoft PowerPoint slides using Canva Pro. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.